Alright guys, the first thing I want to look at today is this Chevy 2500 Silverado, man, if I can talk English, Duramax 6.6 HD with the Allison transmission. Boy. Now this one took some significant damage here on this side. You can see the whole fender, the fender well, all that is gone and destroyed. You can see that rim down here is kind of sitting off. All right. And as we get up here into the damage, you can see, you know, like the fuse box is hanging. It's not bolted on or nothing because it was all removed. They probably tried to fix it. And most of the parts, oh, actually, this is saving you some money right here. All of the parts and stuff are back here in the bed of the truck. So that is an automatic win. All right, let's take a look inside the cab. Nice leather seats. All right. Previous generation with this dashboard and whatnot. Let's see what the mileage looks like on it, and let's see if she'll actually fire up. It is listed as a start, but not a drive. That doesn't surprise me. Looking at that front, let's see if she has enough juice to fire up though. She does turn on. Ooh, that battery looks a little low. Might be enough. Let's see. Fired right up. Sounds good too. You guys can, oh, you guys already got a good look at the dash here. There we go. You can see here, there's really no check lights. Fuel engine low, that's about it. Nothing crazy though. Let's see what she sounds like. Yeah, it's got a regular exhaust on it too. You can hear that turbo spool up though. Sounds good. What do you guys think? Four-wheel drive. Let's take a look around the rest of the truck. I think it sounds good. I think it looks good. I mean, of course, outside of that ridiculous damage up here on the front. But I mean, outside of that, she looks like she's in pretty good shape. No? Hood would have to be replaced because it's banged out, but look, everything here on the front looks good. No damage here, right? Everything on this side looks good. It really would just be some suspension components on the other side. So suspension components on that other side, that fender, you know, the structural piece that would go in here in that fender area. And I think a lot of that stuff, look, there's even other color stuff here. What is this, blue? From what? They were going to fix it with another vehicle? Or it's the other car's, oh, it's the other vehicle's hood. Whatever the other vehicle was that hit this, it's in the bed. But all the parts are back here. You can see here, all of that inner fender well stuff is here. So, I don't know, man. That's a pretty big beast of a truck right there. With those fuel rims and stuff on it. I think you could probably, I think this one could be put back on the road. For sure. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Let's go on to the next one. Alright guys. Look at all the new quads and the side-by-sides and stuff over there, guys. Ooh. Ooh, I know you guys want to see those. We'll go see those here in a little bit, I promise. Fry Farms, huh? WD Transport. Is that Whistling Diesel Transport? Alright. Let's see if she got any juice. Nope. Dead as a doornail. Don't need to waste my time. Ooh, look at this one. She rotted the exhaust right off. Ooh, boy. Let's look around at some of this other stuff, guys. Got some boats out here. Wow. Somebody getting it in. Look at this. You got little bass boats out here. This bass boat got a Johnson with some damn power. Progressive Insurance. What did y'all do? Sink this one? Flip it? Oh, you crashed it. You can see the fiberglass is all cracked and busted right here. Up on the top. Same thing over on that side. You can see where it's broken. Maybe something fell on it, like a tree. That'd be my guess. And then they totaled it out. Luckily they had boaters insurance, but look at that GT150, that old Johnson motor. Bet you that motor is just fine. Bet you anything that motor is just fine. You got fired, you got a toasty one over there. The toasty boat. Toasty! And it like melted the aluminum and bent that all back, destroyed that boat. Oof. She probably still floats, but you're not going to do much with this. Well, I guess you could, theoretically, you could probably put something across, you know, rebuild that transom, but nah. This one's covered. This one's all nice. I don't even know what the hell that is, but I bet you that goes for some money. I guess it had, well, maybe not. Maybe because it's covered, nobody would spend money on it. See, the boats here are interesting because they just have little lakes and a couple rivers. Well, they got the Missouri River out here. So it's not like they're running big boats out here. You know, you could be the man out here with a bow rider, you know what I'm saying? Let's look at some of these quads.